what's up, you guys? Putting a trailer hitch on your Acura RDX can take you to some really cool places, whether it be through biking, camping, or even towing a U-Haul trailer through most of North America. So let's go ahead and break down that really easy install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete your installation. To start, let's go ahead and point out our attachment holes. They're the same on both the passenger and the driver's side. Our first attachment hole is this weld nut towards the rear of the frame. Our second attachment hole is right here. For the second attachment hole, we'll be using the included handle nut. To be able to get it in, we'll have to bend it. You just put it through the access hole and line it up above the attachment hole. And we'll repeat the same on the driver's side. Now we're ready to bring our hitch up into position. We'll be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we do recommend that you get an extra set of hands, as this can be a little heavy. So to raise it over the exhaust, you'll need to have it tilted upward. So before we raise our hitch all the way, we have a spacer block that we'll need to install. This will go in between the hitch and the frame on our rear attachment hole. So we'll just slide that in and we'll line it up when we get the bolts into place. Now that we have the hitch into position and our spacer blocks in on both the passenger and the driver's side, we're ready to bring our hardware into place. For our most rear bolt for the weld nut, we'll be using the included black M12 bolts. This comes with a conical tooth washer. You'll want to make sure that the teeth are facing towards the hitch when installing it. Now we'll go ahead and put our bolt into our rear attachment, making sure to go through the spacer block. For our forward attachment points with the handle nuts, we'll be using the grade 5 bolts with the conical tooth washers as well. Starting on the passenger side, we're going to go ahead and put our forward attachment into place. We're just going to hold the handle nut over that hole and then we'll screw in our bolt. And we'll repeat the same on the driver's side. With all of our hardware in place on both sides, we're now ready to tighten and torque all of our bolts according to the manufacturer's specification. All of our bolts will be using a 19mm socket, and it helps to use a 5-inch extension. And now using some tin snips, we'll go ahead and cut down our handle nut so it's not in the way. And we'll just push it up. Alright guys, now that we're done with our install, we went ahead and pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to show you some measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 4 inches, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 13 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories. So that wraps up our video. Thank you for watching. If you need more information on this product, or if you'd like to schedule a hitch installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.